Welcome to the Daily Intelligence Brief from IntelStor for the 11th of April 2025. In today's top renewable energy news, Congresswoman Julie Fedorchuk introduced the Ending Intermittent Energy Subsidies Act to phase out production and investment tax credits for wind and solar energy over the next 5 years. It targets tax credits established under Sections 45Y and 48E of the Inflation Reduction Act. Tax credits are estimated to have already catalyzed more than $500 billion in private capital since 2022. In 2024, transferably enabled tax credit deal volumes were about $25 billion, with an expected increase in 2025. Funding for clean energy projects from the Inflation Reduction Act and Infrastructure Investment and Jobs Act is helping to revive Pennsylvania's battered manufacturing sector. From 2022 through to 2024, investments in clean energy and manufacturing jobs totaled $10 billion, according to a recent report from the Keystone Research Center. It is expected that the growth will continue in 2025. In the first quarter of 2025, 11 Chinese wind turbine manufacturers won bids for a total of 38.57 gigawatts of equipment orders globally. This includes more than 2.4 gigawatts of foreign orders outside of China and 36.13 gigawatts domestically. That is a first quarter increase of 12% from 2024 to 2025. Domestic offshore wind turbine sales exceeded 2.4 gigawatts. Over the past 2 years, wind energy expansion in Baden-Württemberg has gained momentum. But there is a new threat from a proposed bill that could bring the state's progress to a halt. The proposed legislation seeks to remove language that provides for regional subsidy adjustments based on energy yields. The so-called reference yield model creates comparable competitive conditions between wind-strong areas in northern Germany and areas with a lower wind harvest. Surcharges are applied to equalize the states who have lower wind resources. If this system for determining the surcharge were abolished or weakened, Baden-Württemberg would be at a disadvantage. Minister of Energy and Environment Sutt has said that Estonia would need to build up to 400 more wind turbines, both onshore and offshore, in order to meet the country's 2030 climate goals. Currently, Estonia has around a couple of hundred wind turbines, according to the minister. The statements come as the country prepares for its next round of power offtake tenders for current and future projects in May. It is expected that bidders will have more time to submit binding bids than in the past. This is a concession the government has been willing to make to provide more certainty to the independent power producers. You can learn more about all of IntelStor's market and sales intelligence offerings at www.intelstor.com and subscribe to our channel today.